What's up, guys? Okay, I'm very excited, and today is the recording. Look at Tanmay there on call with the team. Hello, the team that we don't know yet, but will know very soon. Stop dancing. No one's throwing chiller. Bye.
My God.
Okay, guys, what's happening? Yes, this is my little unkempt hair, and we are here at Yashraj Studios recording. Morjo, jaldi aaja. Missing you. Prabhat, here since the whole day. Working hard, recording, shooting. There is Rahul and Vijay sir getting ready for the dub. Guys, after almost a year and a half, my debut single is ready. And it's got a beautiful live violin by Manas, and it's got some wonderful guitars by Ankur, Roland. Web of Pani has produced the track with me alongside Robin, Zaid, and Ansh. Lot of love in this song. It's written by the one, the only Rashmi Virag, the man who I owe my career to. If he had not written Main Rahu Ya Na Rahu, I wouldn't be able to make that song so immortal that it's become. Jaldi se lao gana. Ha bro, la raho. Abhi, I'm just making you all a little accustomed to what we're trying to do here. We are doing a very heartfelt, melody with heartfelt lyrics, obviously. A lot of honesty, lots of poetry, but simple. And it's got some beautiful, live instruments, and it's got a nice balance of electronic music production, and it is what it is. Like, you will hear the track. I don't want to boast about it, but it's something which is really beautiful, really close to my heart. Namaste, Miss Mattu. How long are you there for? I'm here till 9:30, bro. Come soon. लड़की मिलेगी वीडियो में. हाँ, मिलेगी, फिर दूर हो जाएगी, फिर से मिलेगी. जिंदगी का यही एक रीत है कि आज ये है तो कल वो है. नॉट दैट आई एम नॉन कमिटेड लवर. जब मैं प्यार करता हूँ, दिल से करता हूँ, वो मेरे दोस्त हो या समवन आई रियली लव. सो इतना मत सोचो. वीडियो में मैं आ रहा हूँ, वही काफ़ी है. लड़की मिले ना मिले, मैं मिल रहा हूँ, और मैं आपके घरों तक, आपके दिलों तक आने वाला हूँ. सो इट्स कमिंग सून. टायर्ड? नो, नॉट एट ऑल. आई थिंक आई एम इन माई, ये थोड़ा सा स्टैंड नीचे कर ले. आई एम इन माई बेस्ट form today, because after really long I have gotten to be in such an environment, have so much fun. Niche karte rahe. Have so much fun, peaceful. Now the lights in this beautiful little dubbing room, not little at all, really big. So you see these things, they're all panels designed to obviously hold the lights, and lots of acoustics done here. One of the best studios in the country, one of my favorites. आज मैंने एक पोस्ट डाला था that we start over again, because this is the exact studio where I had started my journey at the age of 16, where Vijay Dayal sir, the engineer here, gave me an opportunity to come and record. It's not easy to get the booking of this wonderful studio. And I don't know what to say. I'm just excited. I wish I could keep this live on and I would keep singing, but obviously some things are better waited out for. So wait it out, and hopefully when it comes through, you guys will love the song. Please don't say all these things. I want to meet you before I die, at least. Don't say this, guys. There's no such thing. I also want to meet Sylvester Stallone before I die. But if you believe, it will happen. And I think I'm very soon going to plan मोरजो के साथ एक मेरे फैंस के लिए एक Zoom call, and it's going to happen. So how are you guys doing? What's happening? Thumbs up and hearts. Please give music Telugu also. Yes, waiting to do Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam, Tamil, everything. थोड़ा गाओ ना. अच्छा, थोड़े मैं अपने जो रिसेंटली जो रिलीज हुए गाने जिनको आपने बहुत सारा प्यार दिया उसको थोड़ा सा मैं गुनगुनाऊंगा. जरा ठहरो जरा बैठो करनी है बातें पास आओ और थोड़ा सर्द है रातें आसान होता तो मैं कब का कह चुका होता ऐसे तुम्हारे सामने खामोश ना रहता जरा ठहरो जरा बैठो करनी है बातें तुमको पाना चाहती है मेरी बरसातें. Would like to thank Arman, Virag sir once again, Tulsi, T series, Mehreen, my dad who directed it along with Trigger Happy, and Gobind Singh Dhanua, my brother, my friend, who's my neighbor also, who gave me his place so that Arman could shoot beautifully. And the other song, the most loved collaboration always after Arman and mine is Arijit Singh and me with Dil Ko Maine Dekha Sam with Kumar Paji, Arvinder Khera, Asim, Himanshi, and such beautiful lyrics. An 8-year-old song making its place in people's hearts and on charts. Heart ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Charts तो ऊपर नीचे जाते रहते हैं अजीब वजहों की वजह से. So I'll sing that also. तुझसे जुड़ा तो टूटा जहां से आ करीब आ जा ले लूं मैं सांसे दूरियों में देखा है मर के तेरे बिना दिल को मैंने दी कसम दिल को मैंने दी कसम न धड़के तेरे बिना धड़के तो सारी जिंदगी धड़के तो सारी जिंदगी ये तड़पे तेरे बिना ओ चलो 2 गानों गा के अच्छा है इन लोग की वजह से. हाँ प्रभात अपना रिहर्सल हो गया. आवाज खुल चुकी है. ग्रीन टी आ रहा है थोड़े शहद के साथ. क्रिश यहाँ आ चुके. क्रिश कम लाइव प्लीज. कम सून. It's okay. The studio is completely sanitized. I know you all are worrying about us not wearing masks inside. But while singing, obviously, I can't wear a mask. And Prabhat has worn his mask. Krish also. Can we see a quick tour of the studio, please? Yes. So I will take you around the studio. These are some beautiful, stands and mics for the cellos, the violins, the violas, which, notations will be kept on and we can read. And we're live, bro. I just told everyone you're wearing a mask.
I was.
Yeah, it's okay. That's what I said. The studio environment is really safe. These are some beautiful old guitars, some wires. This is the glass panel through which the engineer, can you see him right there, is connecting with
Captain of the ship.
Captain of the ship.
What's up, guys?
That's Krish, looking like Charles Shobraj.
Thanks.
That's
Zamal entertaining you all.
Prabhat. So this is the dubbing room where we recorded Chale Aana with almost 30 live instruments, 30 violins. And Arman is not here, sorry. I know I keep promising them hum log saath mein live aayenge, but it's not happened. I'm just giving them a tour of the of the studio. And so we walk from here. These are all the wonderful crazy. This is the world I love, electronic gadgets and the wiring and just the system. Can you see there's a fan that's cooling all these machines. And this is the mothership, the brain of the studio. All the devices are connected to this. And this is where, the matkas, the live instruments. This was from a previous song that I did in the morning. And now we're doing a completely different song. In the morning I did a very special song, which is Arman's single, which has got a lot of Indian in elements. And now I'm taking you into the main hub, where the captain of the ship, Vijay sir, live again. He is going to shout at me every sur that I miss. We are trying not to auto-tune and melodyne today. We are trying to be Surila and safe. Rahul, what's up? So this is, sir, please give us this is a ring light for no reason. Please give us a little brief. उन लोगों को स्टूडियो देखना है. So I've said बहुत मुश्किल से YRF में मैं आया था. So what are these panels for?
So these are the acoustic panels which absorb the sound.
Yeah.
And additional low frequency which gets absorbed so that you don't feel too much of low frequency behind when you're sitting.
Okay, lovely. And he has beautifully designed them with such nice elements, guitars and Sai Baba, the Beatles. सब कुछ है इधर. सितार, तानपुरा, थोड़े पैसे अंग्रेजों के जो हमने छीन लिए. एक ग्रामोफोन जिसके अंदर म्यूजिक नहीं है पर दिल में म्यूजिक है. विजय सर्स अवार्ड्स. सर, which films were these?
I don't really remember. There are so
नाम तो
many
लिखा
of them.
होगा.
With the year, I can probably tell you. One is for Agnipath, one is for.
The man who recorded and mixed the music of that film is right here with Ajay Atul, the man behind their sound, Vijay sir. And दूसरा is band baja, नहीं?
No, see, actually, these are 3 of the 20 awards which I have.
Wow.
I really don't remember which one. I can check the year and probably.
Such a cutie. Modest man.
Few of them are for Marathi and few
Wow.
of them are for Hindi.
And one more thing, I would like to say that the Marathi music industry से यानी 3-4 ऐसे composers है, legends तो बहुत है, जो शंकर sir या अजय अतुल have done. But some young guys are hitting notes which are in takkar with the South industry and they're beating us. And we can do this. But huge respect कि उन लोग at least उन लोग अपना original music कर रहे हैं, हम नहीं कर पा रहे तो. This is the new dangerous Mac. है ना? This is the Mac Pro.
Yeah, that's the matter.
The most yeah.
Nice.
Krish and me are already ready to steal it. This is where I one day after I hopefully get royalties from Indian labels, buy a house on this island
Or jump off a cliff.
or jump off a cliff into an ocean of my own. These are beautiful Genelecs. Sir, please enlighten. Look at that angry, serious face of that guy. He's like, whoa, what you looking at? And what is the approximate cost of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 monsters?
These are Genelec 1039s. So if I sell all these 5 monitors, I can buy a home.
Wow. So that means they're almost 1 crore worth. And this mixing console, this board, this is?
Studio.
This is Neve Libra, and this is now 17-year-old console, a beautiful digital console, which doesn't sound digital, which sounds like an analog console. Very good console, and
It's worth a fortune. It's 2 houses.
actually, honestly
House plus
speaking,
studio.
House plus
speaking,
studio.
this console when we bought it was 1.25, 1
Wow.
crore 25 lakhs, and honestly speaking, this one speaker is some. I probably overrated them. This was one speaker was 9.5 lakhs, so 10 lakhs, so 50 lakhs is the speaker.
That's almost a little less than how much we get for a song.
We've had the privilege to hear these.
Yeah, and I was telling them, that, I used to tell Krish, Vijay sir, मैं, with this man, I used to tell him कि मैं कहीं नहीं रिकॉर्ड कर सकता. और बचपन में भी जब स्टूडियो फीस यानी स्टूडियो रेंट देने के पैसे नहीं थे और मम्मी बेचारी विजय सर को कॉल करके नेगोशिएट करती थी, सर बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है. This man obliged and gave me the studio where I recorded my first scratch with the one, the only Soham Chakrabarti, who had sung In Dino. And Subah ke khwaab se udaai hai, that singer. And this studio is like home. Mere ko lagta hai, and even I think Krish would agree, that whenever we're here, the vibes are surreal, right?
Yeah.
And this is the projector where this is where the projector comes down from. Background score.
When you hear
This
your
is-
track on these speakers, you feel like, okay, something
No, but
happened in life.
so this is
That's
Rahul
the down screen.
bringing the. So this we have a drop down screen where we can see the whole reels of the film and do the background score. Yani, this is a spaceship, boss, and this is where are all the little old new devices that are used to tweak and turn a good sounding track obviously into a great sounding track. And this is again my personal hired paparazzi who just fell on live. Wow, bro, well done, so cute. Anyway, so I'm getting back. किसी ने बोला टूर दे दो थोड़ा सा स्टूडियो का, ये मैं कभी कर नहीं पाता हूँ शायद. इसके बाद वापस करूंगा तो फिर शायद ऊपर आ जाएंगे लोग, आप हर कमरे से बिना मास्क के घूम रहे हो. सो आई एम गोइंग. I hope I kill it. I hope sir makes me kill it, which he will. So see you and wish me luck. See you guys. Thank you, Vijay sir.
Thank you. All the best.
Bye. Bye. See you guys really, really soon. Bye.